Good morning students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to complete the remaining part of chapter number 5, Little Girls Wiser Than Men. We know that this story is about two girls, Akulya and Malasha. And when we left the chapter over here, we found that Akulya's mother was beating or scolding Malasha. Why she was scolding? Because Akulya's mother found that Akulya's dress is stained. So start with here. "What are you beating my girl for?" said she, and began scolding her neighbor. Now who said these words? Malasha's mother said, "Okay, why are you beating my daughter?" One word led to another, and they had an angry quarrel. Now both of them started fighting with each other. The man came out and crowd collected in the street. Everyone shouting and no one listening. Everyone were shouting. They all went on quarreling till one gave another a push, and the affair had very nearly come to blows. When Akulya's old grandmother, stepping in among them, tried to calm them. Akulya's grandmother came and she tried to pacify them. She asked that there is no need to fight. "What are you thinking of, friends? Is it right to behave so on a day like this too? It is a time for rejoicing and not for such folly as this. Because Easter is there and it is a festival, so you should enjoy the festival." Okay? They would not listen to the old woman and nearly knocked her off her feet. And their fight was going on, and she would not have been able to quiet the crowd if it had been for Akulya and Malasha themselves. While the women were abusing each other, Akulya had wiped the mud off her frock and gone back to the puddle. People were fighting, but what did Akulya do? She had wiped the mud off her frock and gone back to the puddle. She took a stone and began to scraping away the earth in front of the puddle to make a channel, to make a way through which the water could run out into the street. Presently, Malasha joined her, and with a chip of wood, and Akulya was doing the same, and Malasha also joined Akulya, and both of them started doing the same work. They were making way to water. Just as the men were beginning to fight, the water from the girls' channel ran streaming. Now the water from the channel started streaming into the street towards a very place where the old woman was trying to pacify the men. The girls followed it, one running each side of the little stream. "Catch it, Malasha, catch it," shouted Akulya, while Malasha could not speak for laughing. They were running along with that stream, and they were playing also, highly delighted and watching the chip float along there on their stream. The little girls ran straight into the group of men, and the old woman, seeing them, said to the men, "Are you not ashamed of yourselves to go fighting on account of these lassies?" Lassies means girls. Now the old woman said, "See, these girls are playing. They are not fighting, but you all are fighting because of them. But they are not fighting. Now, when they themselves have forgotten all about it and are playing happily together, dear little souls, they are wiser than you." The men looked at the little girls and were ashamed. Now they were ashamed and laughing at themselves. Each went back to their homes. Everyone went back to their homes. Now there was not any quarrel. So this was a good lesson for the people. So what is the message we can get? What message we can get from the story? Children can be our best teacher if we are humble enough to receive their lessons. So this story is completed. Just do the mark the MCQs in your book. The mother of Aquila and Malasha had dressed them both in new frock because they had to go to the church. Because Easter was there and they had to go to church. Malasha dashed and prepared to run home when she found herself in trouble. Scrambled out of the puddle. Malasha began to howl so that everyone could hear her. They all went on quarreling till one gave another a push and the affair had very nearly came to blows. This means that the people were fighting with each other. Talking to each other, no. Scolding each other, no. They were fighting with each other. The old woman said to men, "Are you not ashamed of yourselves?" She said so because the men were fighting without any genuine reason. B option. Okay, we have done the 3 question answer in your notebook which I had sent in the last lecture. Today we will do question 4, 5 and reference to the context. Just write down in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.